This is some rolling action for our ninjas. So any type of student can do this. Tumbling, gymnastics, if you're preschool, you can try this. Doesn't matter, but this is specifically ninja skills in mind for rolling week. So first, Miss Mimi's gonna show us what's called a puppy roll. So you're gonna go on your hands and knees. You're gonna make sure that you have strong straight arms, that you have a strong tummy. You don't want it sagging. You want it up and tight, legs together, ears hidden. So she is then going to tuck one arm under and roll on her back and then back up to that puppy position. So show us on the other side, Miss Mimi. So first she starts in her puppy, drop one arm, dead bug shape, then back to puppy. So try that on both arms or on both sides, ninjas. The next thing is an egg roll. So you're gonna get into a little egg shape. You're gonna hold on to your knees. You're gonna roll on your back. You're gonna go back into that little dead bug shape and then back up onto your feet. Arms out in front when you end. So the tricky part is to not use your hands. So let's say if Miss Mimi can do it the other direction. On her back on her feet. So close. That is your challenge, ninjas, is to try and do it without putting your hands down at all. Miss Mimi's gonna try it one more time. I think she can do it. She's got this. Let's go, Miss Mimi. Yes. So close. So, ninjas, that is your challenge. Show us your video, repost it, have your parents repost it on social media, tag us, and use the hashtag Gemstone at Home to enter our contest. And Miss Mimi wants to see how you guys beat her in that challenge.